Hey, do you want to make an AI agent but you have no money? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will make an AI agent without any cent or single line of code. Okay, open your browser, search Jotform AI. Click the first link. On the left corner, hit the Create button. Now you can see there are many options. You can choose any of them, but now I am choosing AI agent. In the prompt section, give your prompt. After giving your prompt, hit Create button. Look, your AI agent is ready. Now you can train your AI, and here you can add your own knowledge. Then on the right sidebar, if you scroll down, you can see there are some options to connect your business account. I am clicking my Insta account. Now let's see the result.
I just have met my first AI agent. This is my Instagram account.